Hey everyone, my name is Colin, aka Editor Colin Online, and today I just want to ask you the question, what if it all works out? Now, you may have heard this phrase before or seen the posters that say, what if it all works out? And it's a kind of common phase in the entrepreneurial type world. But I really want to ask you the question today, what if it all works out? What if all your plans, all your dreams come true? What if I told you that everything you've ever dreamed of and hoped to achieve is possible and can come true, and the only thing that'll decide whether it does or not is you? This is a realization that I was lucky enough to have maybe 3 years ago when I decided to go all in on editing and try to turn it into my full-time income rather than just something I did for fun and a little bit of side money. Now, when I realized that my destiny or fate or whatever you want to call it or future is in my hands, that's really what lit the fire underneath me to show up every day without question, without fail, to push things as far as I could, to continue working when I'm tired. And I'm hoping that even if it's just one of you who watches this, that this same video will activate that fire under you and really show you that you're in control of how far you can make it and what you're capable of. And, there's really no limit to what you're capable of doing other than what limits you place on yourself. I'll definitely be adding a module that goes a lot deeper on this in my school community, Six Figure Editor, where I teach other editors to go from charging $12 a video like I used to, all the way up to over $12,000 every single month from multiple clients, giving me full financial freedom to take care of myself, my friends, my family, my loved ones, and travel and work remotely. It truly is a great life that I've built for myself, and I cannot wait to help more of you create that same life. If you are interested, the link's in the description or my Twitter bio, depending where you're watching this. But anyways, back to what I was saying here. The gap between where most editors are now and where they could be isn't talent. It's the business knowledge that is holding everyone back. I've seen so many of you who have incredible work, just work that I think is personally better than my own work that blows me away. Yet some of those same people are messaging me, asking me how to get clients. I'm like, bro, your work is incredible. But, I realized that over time, a lot of you are true creatives at heart and don't really have the business sided brain like I happen to. So I kind of want to merge with all of you and help you out today by kind of explaining how you could take control of your own business and start treating your editing skills like a business, turning it into a business where you're able to grow this and scale this into something that really will answer your question, what if it all works out? Now, I don't know you personally who's watching this, or maybe I do, and I don't know what your personal goals are, but let's say maybe your goal is to want to retire your mom like I have with video editing at only 21 years old. Maybe your goal is to buy your dream apartment. Maybe it's to get a super car. Maybe it's to just be able to have time and location freedom. And all of these are possible with editing, with literally any business model, but obviously we're talking about video editing here. And I just want to show you guys that the only thing standing in most of your ways is locking in on the business side of things. And that is exactly what I teach every day on my multiple platforms, on Twitter, on YouTube, and of course in my school community, where we go extra hard on that and build a great sense of community. And I'm talking about this because this is the exact realization that caused me to achieve everything I've ever wanted out of life and out of my business. And that's the day where I stopped treating editing just like a gig that I did for some money and into an actual business. I literally filed an LLC. Editor Colin LLC is a real LLC out there. It is an official business. I started thinking about this like a business owner, not just a struggling freelancer or someone trying to take jobs here and there, but an actual business that has reoccurring clients every month, that has business fees, that has standard business practices, SOPs, everything. And the day I did that is the day that I turned into a six-figure editor. Thus, the name of my school community was born, because I'm trying to help as many of you become six-figure editors as possible. Now, the first step in conquering this type of mindset and creating yourself into a business is address your fears directly. Now, most editors don't want to pursue this seriously because they're scared it won't work. But I promise you, something not working out is not the real risk. The real risk is spending another 2 years exactly where you are right now. Imagine it's 2 years in the future. Let's say you're 20 years old. Okay, now it's 2 years later. The year's 2028. Now you're 22 years old and you decided you were too afraid to go all in on editing because maybe it wasn't going to work out. But now you're still working at Taco Bell and editing on the side for maybe $500 to $1,000 a month. You can't afford to rent your own place, so you're still living at home. Your parents are really starting to tell you to, maybe consider dropping this editing thing to get a new career. but you know, in your heart, you know that you're meant to be an editor full time. And the thing holding you back and stagnating you is your lack of action. Now let's go back and say it's 2 years in the future where you decide to take the risk, go all in, learn how to treat editing like a business from me. And then all of a sudden, 2 years in the future, you know, you're at your own apartment, you've moved out, your parents are so happy and grateful because you sent them money in the mail. You know, you're working on retiring your mom or your dad or whoever you cherish. And that's all because you made the simple decision to pursue editing further as a business rather than just continuing as a freelancer doing gigs here and there. And now I hope this story kind of shows you that it's all in your hands. Literally, you have free will for a reason. God-given free will. Do you know how amazing that is? You can literally choose whether you want to succeed or not. And people don't seem to understand that or like take that into consideration. They're just waiting for things to happen to them, letting life happen to them, rather than taking life by the hand and just guiding it in whatever direction they want. And now let's talk about what it all working out actually means in like practical terms. And when it comes to video editing, this would be, at least in my opinion, having consistent retainer clients as I do myself, predictable monthly income that's in the 6-figure range as I also do myself, not chasing gigs, you know, not always having to worry about where your next job is, where your rent money is going to come from, how you're going to eat, and also having options, being able to say no to clients and knowing that your income is still going to be okay and growing every month. That is my definition of it all working out, and yours could be completely different, but I think setting that definition and knowing what you're working towards will give you 10 times more motivation than just trying to fire shots in the dark and just do productive things without really a goal or motivation behind it. Now, I want to talk a little bit more about my Skool Community 6-figure editor. Now, it's not a guarantee that it'll start making you 6 figures because whether you take action or not is entirely on you. But here's what it does offer. It has a full course of literally everything I've known from my 5 years of transitioning from $12 a video to over $12,000 every month, becoming the #1 editor on YT Jobs, retiring my mom, treating my editing like a business rather than just a freelance skill, and many more things with daily answering of questions, a great community, a lot of fun, and yeah. And for those of you who are seriously wanting to take editing full time and finding out what life looks like if it all works out, then I highly recommend that you join. I think you will not regret it, and I think you'll have an amazing time and a much faster route to success. Obviously, it's not necessary. Maybe you could get there on your own in 5 years like I did, but if you're trying to really lock in for a year or 2 years and start making over 10 grand a month every month with editing, that is the fastest possible way that I can think of doing so. So again, I want to ask you the question that I asked you at the start of this video. What if it actually all works out? How does your life look, and why aren't you there now? Think about what's holding you back. Think about what decision you need to make right now as soon as this video is over to at least put yourself on the right path to finding out what if it all works out. Thank you for watching this video, and take care.